Hey everybody, exciting news today. We're here to unbox and review the new 4S Kraton BLX. Now, we're a Horizon Pinnacle dealer, so we get early access for people to come over, take a look at it, pre-order it. It'll be available next Friday. Let's get to it. Let's start unboxing the thing. The new Kraton comes in two different colors. We have the blue here. It's also available, if you see on the box, in a teal green color. Both really nice, great stickers on them, beautiful car. Okay, so let's open the radio, take a look at that. Nice Spectrum STL3. We also have the manual in here and some miscellaneous parts. I'm gonna pull the tabs off right now, but I really love these tabs because they have the quick pull and they stay with the body. That's a really nice feature. I love that about Arrma. And the body comes off. The first thing you'll notice is the car is 16% larger than the V1. You notice immediately the longer arms. It's a bit wider, higher shock towers, beautiful smart ESC. Also, you'll notice there's a fan on the motor. It has a nice metal high torque servo for steering. So many new features on it, but we're too excited. Let's get a battery in this guy and take it out on the street. Okay, let's get this bad boy going. Man, this thing's a lot of fun. Get on down here, get one on pre-order for yourself. We'll see you next time.